Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from a company called OMGHerHair. I actually tried recording this video yesterday, but it just wasn't going to plan, so I'm having to redo it again. So they sent me their 360 loose curly wig in the length 16 inches, 180 density, and in a cap size small, because as you can see I have a very small head. Yeah, the hairline came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, but I did go in to pluck a bit more, you know, just to make the hairline look a lot more natural for me. But yeah, so as you guys can see from the construction of the wig, it comes with combs and it comes with adjustable straps. It comes with an adjustable strap and it comes with some combs as well. And I've also applied my foundation onto the lace because, like I said, I tried recording the video yesterday but it didn't go as planned, so I'm doing it again. I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue to install the wig today, just so I can have it on for, like, you know, the next couple of days. Tomorrow's Christmas, so I might as well, you know, install this wig properly and keep it on for tomorrow as well. And I think I'm going to start on the side first today. I'm going to glue down the sides first today. Okay, so guys, I'm now going to apply this lace. And now I'm gonna come to the middle. I'm literally doing it in sections, honestly, guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, the middle section is now clear. So, oh yeah, by the way, that scar is from it's from me getting my hair done and I burnt myself with a hot comb. So something without no trust. I've been looking too low. I don't need to show my love. Baby, my love slow. No, you be jealous, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me, better play carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you're gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you could see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, and I really wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there? Okay, so I've got this wig glued on and I don't know how to style it. Like, I don't know what to do with it. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. So you get to me. So right now I'm just brushing the hair. This is the hair in its natural state, by the way. I haven't washed the hair. I haven't done anything. The hair feels extremely soft. Like, look at this, guys. It's so fluffy, honestly. So I'm just brushing out the hair, and all the hair that's coming out right now is from me cutting the lace on the sides. I think I want to wear this hair down for now and then put it up later, maybe when my makeup is done or something. So I'm just going to spray the hair. I've already sprayed this side, as you guys can see, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this side now. But guys, I'm kind of liking this whole, like, no parting, flip over thing that I've got going on. I don't know. You guys already know. You already know I'm not the best when it comes to baby hairs, but I do try. So guys, I'm being so careful because this hot comb gets really hot. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the way the hair looks. I am going to leave it like this in its natural state. I really like how fluffy this hair is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do my makeup and then I'll come back to finish it off, because I think I'm going to add some curl defining cream just to define the curls a bit more. But I think I'm happy with, you know, having it down like this as a side parting. This is nice. Okay, so I'm back. I'm not done with my makeup, but I just thought, let me come back so you guys can see where I'm up to with my hair. So I actually decided to put this hair up in half up, half down. Basically, I didn't finish recording the video yesterday, so after I installed my wig, I, you know, went about my day. I went to bed, woke up, it's Christmas today, and I'm doing my makeup now, so I'm just finishing off the video now. So but yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply that on the hair. This is gonna help to define the curls a bit more. I actually have a curling defining hair cream that I use on my wavy and curly hair units, but I don't know where it is, so which is why I'm obviously using the leave-in conditioner instead. But I prefer to use that curly that defining curly hair cream. I feel like when you wet the hair is when you really see the beauty of the curls with this hair. But when it's dried in its natural state, you still see the waves and stuff, but it's just not as defined, which is fine because it just gives you like a natural you tried but you didn't try type of look, if that makes any sense. So yeah, like I said, this wig is from OMGHerHair, and this is the 316 loose curly lace wig. So I got this on the length 16 inches, 180 density, and this is, you know, this is the hair in its natural color. I really like the lace is good. So I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.